what I want to know is, on my bucket list of concerns, where does this need to fall?
Asteroid impacts come from big to small. At the small end that I think we're concerned about are the ones that might only destroy a city. At the large end, you're talking about ones that could destroy, all of human civilization. Now, they are rare, but that doesn't mean you can ignore them. So I wouldn't put them up there with, paying your mortgage this month and that sort of stuff. Everybody needs to do that. But somewhere, someplace, somebody, people like Lindley and so on, need to think about how do we protect the Earth, because it's one of those things that's global in nature. Very few things can be this global. And the risk, while in any given day is small, the odds that the odds are that you can't, well, in fact, you can never beat the house forever, right? In some sense, we're playing a giant game of cosmic roulette, and eventually you're going to lose. So the real question is not can we stop an asteroid from hitting us. The question is, actually, we know we can. The question is, do we have the will to stop one?
Lindley, why don't you take that on? What dangers do we face?
Okay, well, actually, I think I have a slide on that. PowerPoint number 5 or something like that. But it's certainly not an everyday risk. It's of something impacting and doing damage at Earth's surface. Of course, we get hit every day by meteoroids. In fact, the Earth accumulates something like 100,000 tons of material a day infall from space. So it's a natural process, the impact. It's what built the planets. Everywhere we look in the solar system, we see impact craters. So it's a very natural process. Fortunately, though, it's a very rare process in human lifespans. And we might get hit with something significant every few hundred years. The last one of quite a bit of significance was the Tunguska event in 1908. Blew down something like 800 to 1,000 square miles of Siberian forest. Thankfully, it was Siberia. So nobody got hurt. But if that were to happen in a metropolitan area like Washington, D.C. or the Los Angeles basin, it would pretty much wipe out the city. So it's one of those very rare but high consequence events that deserve some attention to be able to counteract it. I think now that we are in this era that we have the ability to find these things and predict when they're going to impact the Earth, that we should do that so that we know if one is coming. And also with the space technology we have now, we have the ability to do something about it. It's probably one of the few major natural disasters that we think we can actually prevent if we know about it far enough ahead of time.